Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great, and I am Sahil Ahmed from Alia University, Civil Second Year, and today I am going to give a lecture on the topic IS codes, and this lecture has been assigned to me by Mr. Mohsen Jamal sir. So now let's begin with the lecture. Now, what are IS codes? Now, IS codes are a large number. IS codes are a standard codes that are basically given by Indian government, and it is a very important for civil engineers. And during one's professional life, one normally uses only a handful of them depending on the nature of work they are involved in them. But they are present in enormous amount, but only few of them are mostly used by a civil engineer. Now, civil engineers engaged in construction activities of large projects usually have to refer to a good numbers of IS codes. As such, projects entail use of variety of construction materials in many varieties of structures such as buildings, roads, steel structures, all sorts of foundation and whatnot. A list of these codes can come in handy not only from them but also for construction newbies, students, etc. The list provided below may not be of one comprehensive one, yet it is definitely includes some IS codes quite frequently used by construction engineers. The description of the codes in this list may not be exactly the same as that written on the covers of the codes. Readers may add more such codes to this list and also point out slips they found in the given list. Now, this is the definition of Indian standard codes. Indian standard codes are a list of codes used for civil engineers in India for the purpose of design and analysis of civil engineering structures such as buildings, dams, roads, railways, and airports. Now, the standard codes are regulated by a organization known as Bureau of Indian Standards. Now, what is Bureau of Indian Standards? The Bureau of Indian Standards is the national standards body of India under Department of Consumer Affairs. So, this is an important point to note that the Bureau of Indian Standard comes under the category of Department of Consumer Affairs. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. It is established by the Bureau of Indian Standards Act 2016, which came into effect on 12 October 2017. So, Bureau of Indian Standards was the act was passed in 2016, but it came into effect on 12 October 2017. The minister in charge of the ministry or department have administrative control of the BIS. Is the ex officio president of the BIS. Now, BIS has 500 plus scientific officers working as certification officers, members, secretaries of technical committees and lab OICs. And the organization was formerly the Indian Standard Institution. So, in previous times, it was known as Indian Standards Institution. Set up under the resolution of the Department of Industries and Supplies. Firstly, it was under the Department of Industries and Supplies. Number 1 Standard 4/45 dated 3 September 1946. So, in 1946, it was under the Department of Standards and Supplies. Now, the ISI was registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. So now the ISI was registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. A new Bureau of Indian Standards BIS Act 2016, which was notified on 22 March 2016, was brought into force with the effect from 12 October 2017. Now, the Act establishes the Bureau of Indian Standards as the national standards body of India. Now, this is a very important symbol to remember as it indicates the symbol of Bureau of Indian Standards. Now, there are a handful of IS codes applied in civil engineering. Some of them are mentioned below. We are not going to learn much deeply, so we can specify some of the important of them. Now, here are some IS code which specifies lime and gypsum. Now, number 1 is IS 712 1984, specification of building lime. So, it specifies specification of building limes. Now, IS code 1635 1992, code of practice for field slaking of building lime, preparation of putty. Now, IS code 15648, which in the year 2006 specifies specification of pulverized fuel ash for lime pozzolana mixture applications. So here is the list of lime and gypsum. The next category is concrete and cement. Now concrete and cement is of very significant for a civil engineer. Now IS code 269 1989 consists of ordinary Portland cement 33 grade specification. Now IS code 383 1970 specification for coarse and fine aggregate for use in mass concrete. IS code 456 2000 code of practice for plain and reinforced concrete. IS code 516 1959 method of test for strength of concrete. IS code 650 1991 specification for standard sand for testing of cement. Now IS code 1343 1980 code of practice for pre-stressed concrete. IS code 1489 part 2 1991 Portland Prozolna cement specification calcium clay based. Now IS code 1489 part 1 1991 specification for Portland Prozolna cement part 1 fly ash based. Now IS code 2386 1963 part 3 method of test for aggregates for concrete part 3 specific gravity density void absorption and bulking. Now IS code 2386 1963 part 6 1963 method for test for aggregates for concrete part 6 measuring mortar making properties of fine aggregates. So here are some IS code which are important for a civil engineer, so I am not going to read all of this, and thank you for watching. And I am going to attach this PDF with the lecture in the description box. So, and the conclusion, here it is written, IS codes are very important for civil engineer. As I mentioned earlier, should be familiar with the IS codes. Thank you.